Hello everyone, I am Anusha and this is Tomato Blues. Today we are making Kongunadu style Kollu Masiyal, which loosely translates to mashed horsegram lentils. I have soaked my horsegram for about 8 hours. I used 1.5 cups of dried horsegram lentils over here. And after it got soaked is when I started making this masiyal. This masiyal begins with this aromatic spice powder which has cumin seeds, peppercorns, coriander seeds and dry red chilies. This particular spice mix also goes into a very typical rustic green gram masiyal that we make in the Kongunad regions. I will also call it multi-purpose. You can also use this to make rasam or you can add it to your soups. Flavorful and top notch in terms of spice and pungence. So yeah, there's that. Once we've made our spice powders, we are going to start on with our kollu masiyal, and I am using the Instant Pot today. This is how the soaked horse gram lentils look. Like I mentioned in the beginning, I used 1.5 cups of dried horse gram lentils and I soaked it for about 8 hours. We're going to start off the Instant Pot on the saute mode, and when the display reads hot, I'm adding mustard seeds and I'm allowing them to crackle or splutter. Next, some curry leaves, of course for flavor and oomph, some garlic. We are also adding shallots here today. Traditionally, we tend to use sambar onions or pearl onions, but because I do not find them so easily, I tend to use shallots that I get here in the German supermarkets. But using sambar onions or pearl onions is a super deal breaker, and you will be very, very close to getting the real deal. In goes some tomatoes, and I'm going to allow the tomatoes to cook to a mush after I've added the freshly ground spice powder. There will also be some turmeric, salt to taste, the works. Here, I just want to add that I'm using sesame oil over here to make the kollu masiyal, but you could also use any neutral flavored vegetable oil if you find that the sesame oil flavor is too overpowering for you. Having said that, traditionally we use sesame oil because in and around Kongunad regions, we believe that horse gram lentils are heaty foods. I'm really not sure what exactly is the term in English, but yeah, I think you get the drift. So once the tomatoes are cooked along with the spice powders, I'm adding the dried, soaked, and drained horse gram lentils along with salt and the required quantity of water to my Instant Pot. Going to give everything a stir, and then I'm going to close the Instant Pot, turn the turn the wall to ceiling, and let the Instant Pot do its work for about 20 minutes on high pressure. Yes, the cooking time is fairly long because I want that smooth, buttery texture. So I really tend to overcook my horse gram lentils. But if you prefer them, a little whole with a bite, maybe yeah, you should. But it kind of defeats the very definition of masiyal. So yeah, there's that. And you can see that even after I've cooked it for like 20 minutes on high pressure, it is not completely mashed. So I used a potato masher in the beginning to make sure that I mash everything, but I found that it really did not cut it. And I shifted to my immersion blender. Obviously, the results were better. Traditionally, we don't use an immersion blender or anything. We just use a typical mattu, to kadanjify the kollu. But yeah, there's that. After I have mashed everything, the kollu masiyal is ready to be served with hot rice, a drizzle of ghee, and some potato